Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two email cleaner tools, which is Sanebox and Clean Email. So let's quickly get started and dive into it. So talking about the two tools, the book comes down to how you like your inbox managed. Sanebox is great if you want a smart assistant that's quietly organize email in the background. It automatically sorts low priority messages into folder like send later, send your reminder, and work with any email provider without needing a new app. The main advantages is the convenience and a seamless integration, though it takes some time to train and cost more as you add advanced features. Clean Email, on the other hand, is perfect for bulk cleanup and long-term inbox hygiene. It shines with rules that can mass archive, delete, or organize email by senders, subject, or age plus tools to unsubscribe from newsletter in one go. It's more aggressive and gives you control. It can feel less subtitled and then Sandbox AI filtering overall. Sandbox is best for ongoing smart filtering, while Clean Email is better for decluttering in bulk. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.